These dark days leading up to the winter solstice are slowly creeping into my psyche. The sunrise at 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The sunset at 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the hours of light are still shrinking. The days pass by quickly, leaving not much room for forest walks in the sunlight. These sunset walks have captured my heart, though, enticing me with its mystery. It's a different feeling, like the feeling I get when I'm up before or after anyone else in my family and the house is cozy, dark, and quiet. That's how I feel in the forest, as the darkness slowly crawls closer, blanketing the tall green pines with night. Nighttime is such a mysterious space. Half the world is nestled in bed, while the other half are roaming around in starlight. This time now, when the sun is just setting, the geese are squeaking goodnight, and the coyotes soon join in their pack, howling in their symphony. The air has a bone-chilling coldness that gets underneath your skin, and I feel my innate instincts to head back for home where it's snug and warm. Yet grateful that I got a glimpse of this dark and fascinating world.